I was talking to you about 7 years ago. ZPC Kariba, they played Caps United on the final day. It was league action then. Godfrey Tamirepi, Sergio Trust Nyabinde. Plays it to Godwin Goriat. ZPC with a back three now. Looks like a 3-3-4. A very attacking formation. Oh, they need goals. Cleared away by Joseph Tulani. Colin Juru. Moses Demira with a chance. It's a goal. Moses Demira scores for ZPC Kariba. Terrific finish. On the run. The defender on his shoulder. Demira tucks it away. Now the celebration. Look more like a drill in training, but that is the celebration. Moses Demira with a goal for ZPC Kariba. Well on their way. During his days at Dynamos. And before the Chan tournament earlier on this year, the national team. Now Phineas Bamusi. Feld. The referee, Busani Siwawa, signals for a corner. Caps United players, backroom staff, all remonstrating. Immediately, Coach Darlington Dodo for Caps United, he goes to the fourth official. He's remonstrating. The corner comes in, cleared by Koledi Ronyenyo, tidy up. Bit of confusion in there. Brandon Mpofu with the ball now. Phineas Bamusi fails to gather the ball, but Clive Augusto is on it. Close attention from Godwin Goriat. He squares it. Leroy Mafunga with a chance. Saved by Nigel Chilenga. Joseph Tulani with a follow-up, and Caps United equalize. The ball took a sharp deflection and into the top corner. Caps United equalized. Joseph Tulani. After 52 minutes. Joseph Tulani with the equalizer for Caps. Throw into Caps. Brandon Mpofu. Waste no time. To the captain, Phineas Bamusi. Telmo Pio. Looking for Clive Augusto. A free kick. 2 Caps. Sergio Nyabinde. Conceding that free kick. Already on the ball is Phineas Bamusi. And Telmo. Entatenda Makurumidze. Phineas leaves it to Tatenda Makurumidze on the ball. Shapes up. Like he's going to shoot straight at goal. Tatenda Makurumidze. Oh, he made the goalkeeper work. It's a corner kick to Caps United. Makurumidze with the corner. Leroy Mavunga. Looking for Boyd Mtukure. Phineas Bamusi with the ball now. Cuts inside as he usually does. The cross comes in. It's deadly. Colin Mujuru. Safety first. It's a corner to Caps United. Well, Caps United forwards and the attacking midfielders getting more space, more time on the ball. Wasn't the case in the first half. Can imagine what a goal does. Changes the complexion of the game. The corner comes through. Clive Augusto with the header. 2-1 to Caps United. Returns to the Premiership. joins Caps United, looking for a second win. His second goal in the Chibuku Super Cup. And the celebration to match. From a corner, rolls highest, Clive Augusto.